Hey everybody, so welcome to the Angled YouTube channel. We've got a couple of awesome new products for you. So we got kind of into the Egyptian theme this week and we wanted to show you some of these. This is actually one of the new figurines and this is a new headphone stand. I actually don't know who these are. I know this one is just a zombie skull mummy pharaoh and then this one is Ra. I believe it's a bust of Ra. But both of these new ones have just come out. And we're really excited about these because they're a nifty product with awesome details, and we haven't really been able to do any of these sort of cultural types of headphone stands or products before. And it's been kind of fun. Obviously the mummy one isn't really that cultural, but the one of Ra is in that realm of like totems and just neat artifacts that we don't have a ton of on the site. If you're a designer, we'd love to see more of these because they're just really cool and bring in a part of the world that we don't generally get to, because everybody's always doing a lot of superheroes, which are awesome, but it's always neat to see these other things from the history or just other places. So this one is a typical size headphone stand. So sitting around, it fits our standard size product demos right there. You can either perch him up on his ears or down a little bit lower on his head. If you have him on the edge of a shelf, you can maybe lean him up against his nose, but that's not the best. He's been designed to have them right there on his ears. And since he's a very nice narrow head, he doesn't stretch out your headphones at all. And he's just really nifty sitting on the shelf, even if you're not using him for the headphones. But there you are right there. That's about standard size on a normal human. Coming back down there on that, that's where they land on all of that there. But yeah, really neat new headphone stand slash bust there. All of these are paintable, so if you're a model collector or model painter, you can definitely take any type of paint onto these. They are 3D printed parts, so don't use something like Sharpies because they can bleed into the layers. But it's a pretty high resolution and it'll take any sort of paint. And you can check out many of our reviews to see guys who have painted them. This figurine, while technically a figurine, I suppose you can hang some headphones up on top of him too, and they're not too shabby. But the detail on this one is just really nifty because you've got the skull on the face, and then the detail and cobra up on top, and then the detail throughout. I know that this is actually probably going to be a whole series of items. There's about 10 or so of these that the designer has submitted to the site for us to get made. And we're really excited about them because this is a really neat product line because it hits a lot of the styles that people are really liking right now. So again, the mummy slash skeleton pharaoh is just a really neat design with a lot of detail. And it's pretty darn affordable. This one is our standard type of headphone stand, so it's about the $49 to $59. And then this figurine will be a little bit less than that. So they're pretty easy to get a hold of. So go ahead and check out angled.io and let us know what you think down in the comments or other types of items you'd like to see. Thanks everybody.